I'm pretty sure this was a Georgia Big Trucks build. We didn't do this one, but kind of just want to shout out to CJ. He's a customer of ours, and he comes in pretty regularly. He just bought this truck from the dealership, and it was already done up, but it was really nice, so I wanted to put it on the channel for you to see. These are some 28-inch JTXs. This is the Melee. It's a very popular design that they have. 12-inch Cognito lift. We've done this a few times on a few different builds. Very, very nice lift kit. All the angles look perfect. The lights look like infinite off-roads. Yeah, they are. Shadow Reapers. Fox shocks on this one. The reservoir's on there. Everything's color matched. He did the rear traction bars from Cognito. They look pretty different than like FTS or mcgaughys. Very unique design. Some 26-inch JTXs on this one with some 37-inch Fury MCs. This is the Striker lift kit. We're going to be selling a lot more of this here at the shop now. It looks really, really nice. What's really super cool about this is it uses the stock radius arm right here, and a faceplate goes over it along with the radius arm drop bracket. Very, very clean. It almost has that look of like the mcgaughys faceplate, you know, like that. I really like that look. It's clean, black with the billet accents. Very, very nice. Ford's actually has a shortage of the badges right now on these trucks, so you're going to see a lot of the new 2022 Super Duty trucks missing that badge. Just a little funny little thing, but truck looks beautiful.
They call me a god. They call me a god.
Alright, so I just got the Tahoe back from the transmission shop, and I got bored, I guess, while it was gone, and got wheel spacers for it. And I think I may have overdid it a little bit, because look at this. Well, I finally got her back. So excited about it, to be honest. I didn't really think the spacers would change it that much, but just the overall presentation of the width is crazy different. I love it. Especially from my desk. I get to look at my desk, out my desk window all day long and see this. So glad to be home. It's been about a month since I've had it. Just got the wheels and stuff put back on last night. I got to clean the truck up, but the wheels I got pretty clean. Feels good to have it back up here. Alex's new wrap seems to be a hit too. Everybody loves it. Maybe one day I'll get up there and look at some designs. I don't know what color I would do. Let me know in the comments if you have a color recommendation. I was thinking like, I don't know. I was thinking a chrome wrap, but that sounds crazy. But just let me know what you think. ...2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. Got the old classic 26x14 with the 37, 13, 50, 26 Gladiators. This is the hardcore HC23. This is a chrome cast wheel, but it's beautiful. I love it. My friend Q has these on his Tahoe. This truck is the Denali, so it's all chromed out like usual. Getting pretty common to see the chrome face FTS kit on all these trucks with the chrome on them. It really does, it just matches perfect. That's all it is. I really like this truck though. Good everyday driver. They drove all the way from Miami to be here. Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Got a 1.5 day install. Overall, love it. Nice little 9-inch mcgaughys lift kit here on this new 2022 GMC 2500. Actually might be a 2021. 35, 14, 50, 26 Venom RTs on some extreme mutter wheels. Beautiful mcgaughys lift kit though.